So good afternoon guys, welcome back. Until now we have seen that we have created a flat file and we have created hierarchies, and we have created the presentation for the hierarchies with the is it gone? So we have a presentation for hierarchies which will so this is the hierarchies we have created, and we have created a flat file with this hierarchy. So here, as I said, no, it is a sales hierarchy, and here this hierarchy has three levels. Okay, one is for the continents, and then countries, and then sales representatives were deployed according to the countries, and it is all grouped according to the according to the nodes. So we have Europe, and there are two countries in Europe, and sales representatives. So what we have done is, to first of all you have to go left and give a node. This is node 1, node 2, and left side we have given node, so 3 4, and when we are complete with left, then we go to right and give node 5, and we come left and we come up, and then here there is a right, so we give 6, and then we go to left 7 8, and then we go to America and give 9 10 11 12. So here, there is a parent ID. For the parent IDs, this for the Europe, the parent ID is 1, and parent ID is 1 for America as well. For England, the parent ID is 2, and parent ID is 2 for USA and Germany as well. For sales representatives, the parent ID is 3, 1 for this 1, and parent ID is 3 for the 2 as well. And then we come back, so 4 5 6, parent ID is 6 for representative 3 and 4, and then we go back, parent ID here is 10. It's simple as that. Here we have given nodes, and then for the parent IDs you have to look for the above ones. Here the 1 for this, and 2 for this, and 3 for this, and 6 10. So that is how. So it's okay there, and we go to the application component, and we have seen that we have created sales representative direct update info source, and here we have hierarchies for that, and here we have transfer rules, we have hierarchies data source, and we have info package. So here guys, we have when you double click on the info package, you can see the options like external data. In external data, you have to give the path of the file. By clicking it, you give the path of the sales hierarchy data dot data loading dot csv. Here we have given the path, and then you keep this file type to csv. Check this csv file, and then this is, because it is a comma separated, you have to give data separator as comma, and then you give one header row to be ignored. Here in hierarchy selections, as we have already given activated the hierarchy, uh, uh, I mean uh, created the hierarchy in data source, it gives it here, or else we can create it here as well by creating it. And here you have to check this, and we are uploading, we are doing a full upload, and then in processing, you have to update free subsequently into the data targets. So you have to check that. And here in schedule, you have to press start, click start, and then go to monitor. Here you will have data requests. Here I have done the 15 records successfully. So now I will show you the CSV file for that. Here we have created CSV file. As I have explained, we have given all the in previous videos. If you guys haven't seen the previous videos, please look at the part 2 and part 1 of hierarchy creation, or else you won't understand anything. Here what we have done here is to give these info objects are the ones we have got from the info source proposal. The system has proposed this structure of the hierarchies, and we have given the structure of the hierarchies, and by looking at the flat file by looking at this diagram, the diagram which we have drawn ourselves by by taking the requirement, this diagram we have represented all the nodes and levels. So by looking at this diagram, we can add the fields. Here we have created the flat file, and this one is ready to load. Here you can see the parent IDs is nothing but the parent ID of the above ones. So after that, we have given text short description, and we have given the info objects according to that, because we have created the sales region and sales country here and given them to the sales representative as external characters. So because the sales representative is the least node in here, sales representative is the least node, so we have created this as a main master data characteristic, and then these are the two levels we have to load, and we have given these two as the external characters, and then we are ready to load data now, and we have loaded the data. And now I will show you where to check hierarchies and how to confirm that we have loaded correctly. Here we have loaded them, and go back. Here you can check this one here, whether in our data source you will see the request. Okay, and then for checking the hierarchies, you can double click on the info source, because it is a direct update of the info source. Here you can see this, or else I will show you from the info object, so you will get it very well. Go to the info objects tab, you go to the info object which was created here for the sales representative. We have created an info object here. You double click on that, and here in the info objects we have tabs, right? Master data, text, and hierarchies, different tabs. You have it is activated. Master data is text activated, and hierarchies is also activated here. So we have loaded hierarchies for that. When you go to the hierarchies, there is a button called maintain hierarchies. So you click that button, and you will see the hierarchies which were loaded. So double click on this hierarchy, and you will see the hierarchy. It is loaded here, right? Europe, England, here it is loaded, and here we have America, USA, and it is all loaded. And manual, we can add it manually as well. So that one is a different mode, so you can click on change, and you can add manual hierarchies, like deleting nodes or inserting nodes, and change nodes. So you can do it manually as well. So we have created it automatic by it is a automatic flat file loading we have done. So this is our hierarchy is successful. You can check it with the flat file. Here is the flat file for the hierarchies. Here you can see sales representative 5 and sales representative 6. These two guys are working in USA. So here you can check that in system. These two guys here are working in USA. Okay. So here in for example England, sales representative 1 and 2, these two guys are working under England. So here you can see in England, 1 and 2 are working in England. So this is the automatic loading of flat file, hierarchy flat file. So what we have seen is the creation of hierarchies flat file and the loading into BI system. Here we only have done up to 3 levels, but normally in real time companies would have 20, 30, 40 levels of hierarchies you have to create, but this is the procedure to create. You have to concentrate and work hard and create that. And uh, BI SAP has the limit for creation of hierarchies is 98. You can load up to 98 levels of hierarchies in SAP BI. You cannot load more than that. So I hope you guys have understood this. So I will take leave now then. Thank you. Bye.